Hello children, how are you? Now take your science workbook. Children, take your science workbook with your classwork note. All of you, open your workbook. Page number 1. Lesson 1. Children, we recall the first lesson, living and non-living things. Look at the book nicely, keep your finger. There are many things around us. Things are either living or non-living. நம்மை சுற்றி அதிகமான திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குது. திங்ஸ் ஆர் எய்தர் லிவிங் ஆர் நான் லிவிங் திங். அதில் லிவிங் திங்கும் இருக்குது, உயிருள்ள பொருட்களும் இருக்குது, உயிரில்லாத பொருட்களும் இருக்குது. செகண்ட் லைன், லிவிங் திங் ஆர் திங்ஸ் தட் ஆர் அலைவ். லிவிங் திங்ஸ் எல்லாமே உயிருள்ளவைகள். Animals and plants are living things. For example, dog and mango tree. Animals, plants also living things. அதுவும் உயிருள்ள பொருள். For example, dog and mango tree. Next, non-living things are things that are not alive. Non-living thingsக்குலாம் என்னது கிடையாது? உயிர் கிடையாது. They may be made of things that were once alive. அதில் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், நம்ம அந்த திங்ஸை மேன்மேட், மனுஷனால் உருவாக்கப்படுறது எல்லாம் ஒரு சில திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரு காலத்தில் உயிர் உள்ளதாக இருந்திருக்கும். லைக் இஃப் வி மேக் எ டேபிள் மீன்ஸ் தட் இஸ் ஒன்ஸ் அலைவ். அது ஒரு காலத்தில் உயிர் உள்ளதாக இருந்திருக்கும். பிகாஸ் வி டேக் த wood from trees. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? நம்ம ட்ரீலேருந்து வுட் எடுப்போம். அப்போது தட் இஸ் ஒன்ஸ் அலைவ், ஒரு காலத்தில் உயிரோடு இருந்துச்சு. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? நவ் நெக்ஸ்ட், நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ் தட் ஆர் ஃபவுண்ட் இன் நேச்சர் ஆர் கால்ட் நேச்சுரல் திங். நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸில் நம்ம நேச்சராக காணப்படுற எல்லாமே நேச்சுரல் திங்ஸ். ஓகே, நேச்சுரல் திங்ஸ் ஆர் மேட் ஃப்ரம் nature. Last one, non-living things that are made from natural things and are called man-made things. Non-living things that are made from natural, that are made from natural things are called man-made things. மனுஷனால் நேச்சுரல் திங்ஸ்லேருந்து உருவாக்கப்பட்ட பொருட்கள் எல்லாம் man-made things. Children, already we learned in the book, you know that. Next, things around us. What are the things around us? Living things and non-living things. They give us a chart. Look at the book, all of you. Things around us, living thing, non-living things. In the living things, animals, plants, and non-living things, natural things, man-made things. Animals, for example, cat, frog, butterfly, and dog. Plants, for example, hibiscus plant, banyan tree, and lotus plant. Children, next, non-living things, natural things. For example, rock, water, wood, and soil. Man-made things, for example, chair, ball, pen, and eraser. Man-made things are made from nature, but made by man, no? So that is called man-made things. That also non-living things. Next, living things are different from non-living things. Down you have a chart. Features by things: breathe, move on their own, need food, feel, reproduce, grow. Children, this is the difference between the living and non-living thing. Okay. Features things, living things. Okay. Living things breathe. Yes or no? Yes, living things can breathe. Next one, move on their own. Living things can move on their own. Yes, they can move from one place to another place. Next, need food. Is it living things need food? Yes, அதுக்கு உணவு தேவை. Next, feel. Living things can feel. Next, reproduce. Living things can reproduce. Next, grow. Living things grow. Next one, non-living things. Non-living things breathe. Children, non-living things can breathe? No. Yes or no? All of you look at the book. You have a chart. Listen nicely. Non-living things can move on their own? No. Without any help, they can't move from one place to another place. Non-living things need food? No. Because our toy no need food. That is non-living thing. Non-living thing feel? No. It can't feel anything. Non-living things reproduce? No. Non-living things grow? No. These are different between living things and non-living things. இந்த ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் உள்ள வேறுபாடு இதுதான். லிவிங் திங்ஸால் ப்ரீத் பண்ண முடியும், மூவ் ஆன் தேர் ஓன் அண்ட் நீட் ஃபுட், ஃபீல், ரீப்ரொடியூஸ், க்ரோ. பட் non-living things cannot do anything. Yes or no? Cannot breathe, cannot move on their own. Okay, next down you have one line. Non-living things cannot breathe, move, eat, feel, reproduce and grow. Are you understand, children? Already we learned. Now I recall these all. Okay. Turn next page, page number 2. All of you turn next page, page number 2. Knowledge based questions. Keep your finger and listen nicely, children. A. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. The first one, water is a dash thing. Children, water is a dash thing. Option is man-made, natural, living. What is that? You think nicely, you know that you want to tick the correct answer. Second one, paper, cloths and chair are dash things. Paper, cloths and chair are dash things. Option is natural, man-made, living. Which is the correct answer? You think nicely. Paper, cloth, chair all made by? What's that? Think nicely and tick the correct answer. Third one, dash is made from a thing that was once alive. Children, here a things that is made from a thing that was once alive. முந்தி வாழ்ந்ததை வச்சு உருவாக்கப்பட்ட ஒரு பொருள். ஆப்ஷன் ஆர் சேர், காயின், மார்பிள். Okay, think nicely and tick the correct answer. Fourth one, dash things move on their own. Dash things move on their own. Which things can move their own? Non-living thing, man-made thing, living. What is that? You know, think nicely. Then you can select the correct answer. Next, B. Fill in the blanks. First one, non-living things do not dash. Option are breathe and break. Non-living things do not. Which is the correct answer? Think nicely. This page your homework. Children, non-living things do not breathe or break. Think and tick after you want to take and write on the line. Second one, dash is made by man. Option, eraser, rock. You know that. You write the correct answer. Okay. Third one, living things need dash to grow. Living things need dash to grow. Option, toys or food. Think nicely and write the correct answer. Fourth one, wood is a dash non-living thing. Wood is a dash non-living thing. Children, you know that already we learned. You want to think nicely and select the correct answer and write on the line. Next, C. Match the columns. They gave us columns A and B. You want to match the correct. Okay. First one, clothes. Second one, dog. Third, plant. Fourth one, rocks. Column B, you have the answer. You want to select and match it. Eats food to grow and found in nature, needs soil to grow, made by man. Children, first one, clothes. You have B column. That is that answer you have. You want to select the correct answer and match it. Okay. Once again, I am going to read for you. Column A, clothes, dog, plant, rocks. Next, B, eats food to grow, found in nature, needs soil to grow, made by man. Next page, page number 3. This is also your homework. 2 and 3 are your homework. Understanding based question. Look at the book, all of you. Page number 3. Keep your finger. Listen nicely. A. State true or false. Correct the false statement. The first one, living things are made by man. Children, is it correct? True or false? Living things are made by man. Think nicely. You want to write correct answer. If it is false, means you want to correct the false statement. Are you understand, children? Living things are made by man. உயிர் உள்ள பொருட்கள் எல்லாம் மனுஷனால் உருவாக்கப்பட்டதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Is it true means no problem. If it is wrong, you want to put false and you want to correct the false statement. இதை சரியாக எழுத வேண்டும். Okay. Second one, any moving thing is a living thing. Any moving thing is a living thing. Any moving thing is a living thing. Its meaning எல்லா நகரக்கூடிய பொருட்களுமே உயிருள்ள பொருட்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. If it is true means you want to put true, otherwise it is wrong means you want to correct the false statement. தப்பாக எழுதப்பட்டதை you want to write the correct. Okay, correct answer. Third one, rocks and wood are natural thing. Children, பாறைகளும் மரங்களும் மரக்கட்டைகளும் நேச்சுரால் உருவாக்கப்பட்டதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. If it is true means no problem, you want to write. False means you want to write correct the false statement. Okay. Fourth one, all natural things are living thing. Think nicely. எல்லா இயற்கையான பொருட்களுமே லிவிங் திங்னு சொல்லப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. ஓகே, திங்க் நைஸ்லி. ஆல் நேச்சுரல் திங்ஸ் ஆர் லிவிங் திங். Okay, correct the answer. If it is false means, otherwise true means no problem. Next B, circle the odd one. This is very easy, very interesting also. Circle the odd one. Children, the first one, stone, butterfly, tree. Stone, butterfly, tree. Okay, here living and non-living thing are there. You want to circle odd one. Second one, girl, eraser, pen. Here also living and non-living things are there. You want to circle the odd one. Third one, water, rock, toy. In this you have nature and man-made things. You want to circle the odd one. Okay, fourth one, book, cycle, wood. Book, cycle, wood. Children, here also you want to circle the odd one. Okay, easy. Okay, children. Next, C, question and answer. First question, what are man-made things? Write any two examples. What are man-made things? Write any two examples. Okay, what are man-made things? Say the answer, all of you. All? Okay, think nicely and write correct answer. Second one, write the difference between living things and non-living things. Children, you want to write A and B, two different between the living things and non-living things. Okay, you have the space living things AB and non-living things you want to write AB. Okay, third question, write the example of natural things. You want to write any two example of natural things. These two pages are your homework. Page number 2 and 3 you must write. Okay, every day you must read the book, read the classwork, study well. Children, now take your science book, page number 5. Science book. Not workbook, children, science book. Okay, you have science book and workbook, no? You want to take science book. Okay, open the page number 5, previous class homework. We are going to check the homework. Have you take soon, all of you? Page number 5. Open the book. Page number 5. Previous class homework. We are going to check the answer. Okay. B. Categories the things in the box under the following headings. They give us 6 example. You want to write in the correct side. Yes or no? Natural things and man-made things. Children, now you can look at the screen. I have given the answer. If you want, check the answer, children. Listen nicely. What is the option? Pencil, ball, water, leather, paper, eraser. Once again, say louder. Pencil, ball, water, leather, paper, eraser. Children, we want to separate the natural thing and man-made thing. Okay, what is the first one? Pencil. Think nicely. Pencil is a natural or man-made things? What is your answer, children? Where did you write? Natural thing side or man-made thing side? What is that? Pencil all made by man. So that is a man-made things. Those who are correct, lift your hand. Very good, children. Very good. Okay, man-made things. You want to write in the man-made things side. Okay, look at the screen, all of you. You can understand. Second one, ball. Ball is made by man. Ball also man-made things. Okay, where did you write? Very good, children. Those who are correct, lift your hand. Very good, children. Ball also made by man. So, this is man-made things. Third one, water. Water is, what is that? Natural things, because water all coming from nature. Yes or no? So, natural things. Are you understand, children? Next, leather. Leather is a natural or man-made things? What is the meaning of leather? Tool. Okay. We can use the leather bags. Yes or no? Tool. Okay. That is natural or man-made things? Natural things. Okay. Look at the screen and check your answer, all of you. Next, paper. Paper is a man-made things. Very good, children. Are you understand now? Listen carefully, then only you can understand. Okay, paper is a man-made things. Okay. Next, eraser. Eraser also man-made things. Those who are correct, you are writing correctly. Very good, children. Clap your hands. Very good. Okay, look at the screen. Those who are write very wrong means you want to rub and write once again. Okay, look at the screen, all of you. Nature things are water, leather, and man-made things, pencil, ball, paper, eraser. Check the answer, all of you. Have you checked? Next, C. Answer the following. Children, have you written? Did you write this homework? Yes, very good, children. The first question, write the difference between living and non-living things. Children, what did you write? Read your answer, children. What is the first one? Okay. Okay, children. Now I have given the answer. You can see the screen. Look at the screen, all of you. Now you can check your answer, children. Write the difference between living and non-living things. You want to write the living things side. You have 3 lines. First one, can grow, and beside you have man-made things, cannot grow. Living things can grow, man-made things cannot grow. Second one, living things can eat, man-made things cannot eat. Living things, third, can breathe, man-made things cannot breathe. Check the answer, all of you. Those who did not write, now you can write. Look at the screen, say and write, all of you. Those who are writing correctly, very good, children. Write soon. Check the answer, all of you. Living things can grow, man-made things cannot grow. Living things can eat, man-made things cannot eat. Living things can breathe, Man-made things cannot breathe. Shall we go for second question? Write the names of 4 man-made things in your home. Children, in your home you have the things that which are made by man. You want to write the 4 things. What is that? What is your answer, children? Read your answer. Now I have given 4 man-made things in my home: table, chair, doll, car. Check the answer, all of you. Check the spelling also. Next, horse question. What is the question? What will happen if living things stop reproducing? Children, what did you write? Read your answer. Okay, I have given your answer. Look at the screen. If living things stop reproducing, they don't have babies. If living things stop reproducing, they don't have babies. Living things எல்லாம் reproducing ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? லிவிங் திங்ஸுக்கு பேபி இருக்காது. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? இஃப் லிவிங் திங்ஸ் ஸ்டாப் reproducing, they don't have babies. Children, check the answer. Check soon, all of you. Those who did not write. Okay, now you can write. Take the pencil and write. Write soon, all of you. Those who are correct, lift your hands. Very good, children. If living things stop reproducing, they don't have babies. They don't have babies. Children, have you written? Write soon. Now, take your classwork note, children. We are going to read the previous classwork. Shall we read? Open your classwork note. Have you opened the first lesson? Shall we read now? Have you opened, children? Lesson 1. Keep your finger and say louder. Living and non-living things. Meanings. Living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living. உயிருள்ள, U-I-R-U-L-L, உயிருள்ள. Non-living, N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G, non-living. உயிரற்ற, U-I-R-A-H, உயிரற்ற. Natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural. இயற்கை, இயற்கை, இயற்கை. Man-made, M-A-N, man, M-A-D-E, மேடு மேன்மேட் மனிதனால் உருவாக்கப்பட்ட ம நீ த நா இல் மனிதனால் உ ரு வா இக் க இப் ப இட் ட உருவாக்கப்பட்ட மேன்மேட் மனிதனால் உருவாக்கப்பட்ட அரவுண்ட் AROUND அரவுண்ட் சுற்றிலும் சு இட் சி லு இம் சுற்றிலும் children keep your finger say louder alive 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 உயிருடன் உ இ ரு ட இன் உயிருடன் breathe BREATH breathe மூச்சு விடு மூ இச்சு மூச்சு விடு வி டு விடு மூ MOVE மூ நகர்வு ந ஹ இர் வு நகர்வு keep your finger look at the note all of you don't turn anywhere say louder feel 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 உணர்வு உ ந இர் வு உணர்வு grow 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 வளர் ப ல இர் வளர் okay children I hope you all are studied this one day I will give the test you want to get ready okay every day study the classwork read the books next answer the following keep your finger and say louder okay children first one what are say louder living things what are living things living things are things that are alive living things are things that are alive keep your finger and say louder children second question what are natural things what are natural things natural things are found in nature natural things are found in nature okay children you must study the answer the following okay you want to get ready for the test study every day okay children take care